Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to do ashwagandha farming, full guide. Begin by selecting certified seeds and preparing sandy loam soil with good drainage. Plant in raised beds or flat ground with 30 to 50 cm spacing, and sow seeds shallowly for better emergence. Monitor germination for 2 to 3 weeks and thin seedlings to maintain proper airflow. Establish a simple irrigation schedule and plan tools and storage before the crop matures. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a great kitchen sidekick, picking up crumbs and letting you focus on chopping and mixing instead of sweeping, and it even responds to voice commands for hands-free cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Ham salad is versatile and perfect for turns like sliders, stuffed tomatoes, or a salad topper. Fold in chopped apple or grapes for a sweet crunch that complements ham, or add pickled relish for extra tang. For a lighter version, swap half the mayo for Greek yogurt and boost herbs like dill, parsley, or chives. Garnish with sliced green onion or paprika and serve with crisp crackers or hearty bread.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.